When you choose to work with our team at Student Universe, you're getting a passionate group of people that are dedicated to you.
We have a team of avid travelers, so whether they're looking for a tour for an individual or a group looking to go on a trip, we can give them recommendations based on our experiences.
Collectively, the team speaks 7 different languages and has decades of experience in handling travel.
Over 80% of groups that book with us come back and book with us again, and that's something that we're really proud of.
We work with all different types of groups. They could be as small as 10, upwards of 150 to 200 people departing on the same day.
Groups work with us primarily for the personalized service that we offer. We give everybody one point of contact within Student Universe.
Anytime 11 months in advance before a group needs a flight, we can quote airfare in that window, and it doesn't cost anything.
From there, we'll want to make sure that they're all on the same flights. We'll negotiate the best airfare for them. They'll make one deposit per person.
If a group calls with a very specific budget that they need to stick to, we're able to recommend destinations and times of year where we can meet that budget.
We can turn quotes around very fast, as well as provide them tools such as our group payment pages, our affiliate pages.
Those 2 tools are substantial and actually set us apart from other people in the industry.
I think one of the strengths of our team is that we have great relationships with all of our airline partners. That really results in quick turnaround time, better rates, and better service from our airline partners.
It's really a one-stop shopping for any of your group or travel service needs. Anything that you need, we have all the tools to get you there.
We're all travelers, we've been in your shoes, and we're here to help you out every step of the way.